Hey stars, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be talking about bleach or sodium hypochlorite sprays. Now this is readily available online and it claims to be effective against COVID-19. Is it really? So I'll be sharing information about this. Stick around because I'm here to pass it on. I've made a separate video on home disinfection. If you want to check that out, I'll just place the card right here. Now in that video, I mentioned that we normally use a bleach solution to disinfect the surfaces at home or the things at home instead of alcohol and Lysol. I also made a separate video on UVC Lights. So if you want to check that out, I'll just place the card right here. We use it here at home, of course, whenever we travel or for work. We always have a bleach solution spray at home to disinfect our groceries, the floors, the surfaces, and what we normally do is mix bleach and water for it. Now, if you're looking for an alternative, ta-da! A device that can produce bleach or sodium hypochlorite from mixing salt and water. Now the question is it effective? By the way guys, if you haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I have new videos just like this. Now what is sodium hypochlorite? Sodium hypochlorite is a common household chemical that we use to bleach our clothes and disinfect our homes. Commonly known as bleach, this product has been used extensively in the medical industry and our homes. This device can produce bleach solution from mixing water and salt, then passing electricity in the solution. The result is sodium hypochlorite. This is very convenient since you can make small amounts of bleach enough to last a few days before the solution expires. And you can also save on your Zonrox bleach for your laundry. Now, this sodium hypochlorite spray or bleach spray is used extensively in hospitals for cleaning and disinfection. So why not use it at home, right? Now I will show you how this device works. We made a separate unboxing video of this device in my husband's channel, Add to Cart Therapy. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do, and you can also check out his unboxing videos. Now, back to the question, is this sodium hypochlorite spray or bleach spray effective against COVID-19? They are recommended agents to help prevent the spread of pathogens, including COVID-19. Along with UVC lights, these agents can be seen commonly in the house in the form of bleach. It is recommended to dilute common household bleach to 1% solution to be safely used as a household spray. In an article, it mentioned that 0.1% bleach solution can kill SARS-CoV-2 within 1 minute of contact. Do they work? Bleach or sodium hypochlorite has been extensively recommended by medical experts to help disinfect against the virus that causes COVID-19. This portable bleach generating device produces bleach solution from water and table salt by a process called Electrolysis. Both raw materials are cheap and easily available in the house. You can make this solution every 3 to 4 days depending on how often you use it. The bleach solution is fresh and effective as a disinfection agent. However, before using bleach sprays, please take note of its precautions. When concentrated, bleach solutions can cause irritation to the eyes, skin, lungs, or may be dangerous when ingested or swallowed. So please be careful. I'll be placing the links of my sources at the description box as well as the link of this device if you want to check it out. So that's it. I hope this video helps. If you like this video and if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I have new videos. Also, if you have any questions, please feel free to drop a comment down below. See you in the next one. Bye. Stay safe, stay healthy. God bless.